Now let us look at the sigma d reflection plane in a methane. Here you can see that any two hydrogens will be taken from the methane. They are in a plane. Okay, this is one of the plane, and if you load any of the C3 along with it, you can see that this C3 is actually lying in the plane. So the principal axis and the plane are not perpendicular. So this is a sigma v plane only, since the principal axis lying in the plane. Okay. So any sigma plane you take, they are all parallel, and they are all the part of any of the C3 axis. Okay, none of them are perpendicular to the C3 axis, so they are all vertical planes. Now why do we call it a sigma d plane? This we can tell only when you load the C2 axis along with the sigma d. Okay, let us load the C2s, and what is the sigma d plane corresponding to this pair of C2, because the plane should bisect a pair of C2. That is the rule. Okay, this plane is actually bisecting pair of C2. So this is called one sigma d plane. Similarly, if you take this plane also, it is bisecting these two C2s. Okay, so we can see that one plane passing through two hydrogen atoms horizontally, another plane passing through two hydrogen atoms vertically. Both of them are called sigma d planes. So similar to that, we can have sigma d planes, other sigma d planes also. How it will be possible? Because now we have chosen these two as a set, these two as a set. Next time you have to choose this right side, these two both as a set, and these two as a set, these two as a set. So all these hydrogens, when combined with another hydrogen, like a 1,2 atom, 1,3 atom, 1,4 atom, which I have indicated in the lecture PPT PDF note, you can refer. In that I have shown how we can produce the combinations. So all these combinations are giving you different sigmas, and all these sigmas are sigma d only. Okay, like that we have any sigma if you take, they will be aligned parallelly with our C3, but they will also bisect the pair of C2s. So this is why it is called the sigma d. And how many sigma d is possible? Total 6 are possible. That 6th number you can easily find out if you put a label. Okay. So let us look at here also, in this site also, here also they have put that animation of the sigma d. So I will check whether it is working. Animation of sigma d. Here you can see. Okay, sigma d plane, and about which two atoms are going to each other position, because it is the mirror image. Okay, so that also we have viewed. So I think now this will be clear for the illustration of the sigma d and improper axis in methane.